Hi guys, welcome to CSS Styles. Today in this tutorial, we gonna learn about animated image hover effect. First of all, we want to create a HTML template and the title is CSS animated image hover effect. Inside the body, we want to create a div and the class name is div1. Inside the div, we want to add the image tag and house.jpg. And the height is 200 pixel and the width is 300 pixel. Let's copy the div1 and paste it 2 times, and we want to change div2 and div3. Let's save the file. It's okay. Let's start to style our web page. First of all, we want to link our CSS file index.css. Let's go to index.css and start to style. Margin 0 and padding is 0 and box sizing is border box. Let's save the file. It's okay now. Let's start to style our body. Display flex and background color is #262626FF and the height is 100 VH and width is 100%. Justify content is center and align item is center. Let's see our web page. It's okay now. Let's start to style our div. Position is relative and margin is auto. Height is 200 pixel and the width is 300 pixel. Border radius is 10 pixel and the overflow is hidden. Let's save the file. It's okay now. The border radius is 10 pixel is okay. Class div1 before. First of all, we want to scroll up. It's okay now. And the content is image1 and font size is 30 pixel. Font family is Franklin, Gothic, Medium, and justify content is center and align items also center. Display flex and the position is absolute. Height 200 pixel, width 300 pixel and background linear gradient 45 degree RGB 24 230 93 RGB 70 214 224. This is nice gradient color. And class div1 over before. Transition property all and transition duration is 1 second and transition timing function is linear and opacity is 0%. Let's save the file. It's nice fade effect. And first we want to copy these lines and paste it 2 times. Scroll up and this is div2 and this is also image2 and gradient is First one is 243 and 239, 25 and 233, 100, 47. And this is transform and translate 100%. And we're gonna change this div 2, and this is div 3 and image 3. The gradient color is 233, 93, 191, and last one is 224, 70, 96. And we want to change it is div 3 and transform translate y, and that is 100%. Let's save the file and see our result. It's looking very good and good fading effects, lights effect. I hope you have enjoyed my tutorial, and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.